Analytical ability number 1, what is 75% of 28? Okay? So, dito po, ang step 1 natin, we need to translate the problem into equation po. So, paano ba yon? So, pag tinanong what, ibig sabihin, ano raw yung, ayan po yung unknown, which is n. Okay? So, what is, yung is po in mathematics, yan po yung equal symbol. Tandaan po yan, ha? Tinuturo ko po yung basic para at least pagka nagkabali-baliktad yung percentage problem, masasagutan pa din natin. Okay po? Turo ko lang po kung paano mag-translate ng word problems to mathematical equations. Next is the 75%, okay, of. Tandaan, sa mathematics, yung word na of, that is multiplication. Okay, that's times. Times kanino? Times daw po kay 28. So, dito meron na tayong working equation. Okay, we have n equals 75% times 28. So, ibig sabihin, imu-multiply lang natin yung 75% dun sa 28. So, that is n equals ang 75% in decimal, that is 0.75 times 28. O, paano ba tayo mag-multiply ng decimal sa whole number? Okay, so multiply natin, 0.75 times 28. So, try natin. Tignan niyo nga kung marunong kayong mag-multiply. So, 5 times 8, that is 40. Then 7 times 8, that is 56. Then plus 4, we have 60. Okay? Next, 5 times 2, that is 10. Carry 1. Then 7 times 2, 14 plus 1. So, we have 15. And then add, i-add lang po natin yan. We have 0, 0, 6 plus 15, this is 21. Then after that, count the number of decimal places. So here in our case, we have 2 decimal places dun sa given. So yung final answer natin, 2 decimal places din, which is 21. So ang sagot natin, letter C. Yan, maraming nakakuha, no? 28 times 0.75. Yan, very good. So lahat marunong marunong mag-times. Ngayon, kung mapapansin niyo guys, parang medyo mahaba yung naging solutions natin, no? So siguro kung sa exam, kung magmu-multiply kayo ng 0.75 times 28, pwedeng kumain 'to ng mga at least 1 minute, tama ba? So paano kaya yung shortcut nito? May shortcut ba 'yan? Tignan niyo yung given, guys. Tignan niyo yung given. What is 75% of 20? Try natin yung shortcut way, ha? So, I know naman, meron kayong idea, ano ba yung 75% in fraction? Alam naman natin na yung 75% in fraction, that is 3/4, no? Pero kung hindi niyo naiisip yung 3/4, okay lang naman. Okay, sa mga nakakaintindi lang ng fraction to decimal, pwede niyong gamitin 'tong shortcut na 'to. So, dito we have 3/4 of 28. 'Di ba 'pag sinabing of, that is times, of 28. So, parang ganyan yung lalabas, eh. What is 3/4 of 28? And that is also 75% of 28. So, paano gagawin natin diyan? So, idi-divide mo 'yan, 28 divided by 4, ang sagot diyan 7. And then 7 times 3, we have 21. So, same answer lang. Kung kukunin mo yung 3/4 ng 28, ang makukuha mo 21. So, sa technique na 'to, makaka-save ka ng time siguro at siguro kaya mo 'tong mga 10 seconds, 'no? Kaysa mag-multiply ka ng 0.75 times 28. So, anyway, may mga kanya-kanyang techniques naman tayo diyan. Pero usually, kung ayaw mo ng mga shortcuts or techniques, pwede mong gamitin yung usual na ginagawa, 0.75% times 28. Okay, nakuha ba?